Knock, knock.
Oh, my handsome Tom.
Do you want a kiss? Rawr.
Of course.
Look at her duck face. Loser.
Why am I so ugly?
Ginger. You need a makeover.
I have no remedy. I'm just so ugly. Tom will never be mine.
Calm down. We have the lookbook on our side. I think we need a Wednesday style for someone like Tom.
Really?
Beauty hurts,
Ouch.
but it works. This will be intense. Do not move. They feel the fear. Oh no! Impulse rebellion. Oh.
Wow, my face is so clean.
Not like my glasses though. Trash. Better. Huh? What is that? Are these your teeth? Oh. Wait. We need an intense solution. This dark makeup box got all that we need. Let's see. Nope. Here it is. You need a deep cleaning. Yep, this will work. Some toothpaste. Lots of it, I mean. And your mouth. That's it. Clean those terrible teeth. It's cleaning your brain also. Do not move your head. Done.
I think it's fine. Okay, maybe a little bit more.
The bigger, the better.
No, it really hurts.
I won't give up on that smile. I told you size matters. When was the last time you... Oh, nice.
Really? Am I shining?
Wow, literally shining. My eyes. That's better. Gorgeous.
So, what's next?
Time for makeup.
Makeup?
Yep, basic dark makeup. Starting with this. Sunflower for the base. My favorite part.
Oh, we are making a cake.
No. Pancake face. Nice. We're not done yet.
What?
You need a cat eye for this look. This eyeliner kit has all we need. Now, don't move.
Okay. Ow, is it dry?
Huh? No ink? Yes, I think it dried off. Oh, but it's not a problem. We only need some fresh ink, and this is perfect.
With that ink, I wrote many poems for him. Oh, Tom, why you are so cute.
Focus.
Yes.
Your romantic marker will help this time. But we just need the ink. Old school technique.
It's quite black.
Tom will love it. Trust me.
Okay.
Do not move, sweetie. And done.
Do I look good? Wow! What's next?
It's time for the dark lips.
Give me that.
Huh?
I want to do it myself. Lipstick on my thing. What do you think?
Ouch. I don't think so. Let me help you out.
Don't ruin it.
Done.
Oh, wow, beautiful. You are good at this.
We still have a lot to do.
But my hat.
We need to do something with your hair. Let's match it with your makeup. Black hair dye. I got this on the last Halloween, and I think I used it all. It's empty. But I know how to dye it. Charcoal dye.
Charcoal?
And lemon. Perfect mix. I saw this on TikTok. I feel like wizard, a witch. Now lemon juice. And time to smash and mix. We made it. Get ready, Ginger. Time to dye. Are you ready?
No.
Let's
blonde
go.
is fine. No.
Calm down. Black is the new blonde. And it is natural dye. No plastic.
Oh, I'm loving this look.
We're not done yet. 2 side
What?
ponytails. Magic!
Oh, so fast! Braids! I love braids!
High five!
Thumbs up! Good job! Ew! Now I'm covered in snot.
Huh? Oh, your clothes!
I don't see the problem with my clothes.
Good for you, I ordered new clothes.
Delivery? Yay!
Oh.
Oh!
Not just delivery, Lala delivery. It's here.
Oh, wow! Instant dresser! Wow, you have such
Nice.
a good taste!
But you need a few accessories. Like a heart-shaped necklace or a choker.
Oh, I like it!
Crocs don't match. Shoes instead.
Bye, Crocs! Hello, new me!
Oh.
Oh, Tom, I'm ready for...
I'm so proud of her.
Tom,
Wow!
do you want some?
So ready?
Karma! Huh? Nanny wanted? Leave it up to me. Open up!
Yes?
Oh, you are hiring!
You're hired! We're going on holiday! I'm so tired of him! Pikachu!
That's enough! You are grounded!
We need a nanny.
Nanny wanted? Leave it up to me.
Yes?
You are hiring.
You're hired! We're going on holidays!
Now, where is the kid? Is he imaginary? Huh? What's that? Good luck. Surely he can't be in here.
I'm out. Thanks!
What just happened? Stop running! Clean up!
No way!
You don't know who you're messing with. More.
No, wait! I'll clean up. Please sit.
Thanks. Great job, Bika.
So annoying. Nanny, I don't feel good.
Are you sick?
Pika!
Don't worry, Bika. That cat messed with the wrong nanny. Drink this.
Enough! Pika!
What's wrong? I know this cat's syrup hack. I got it. 1 second. He's gonna love this. First, I'm gonna dip it in cat syrup. Then coat it with sprinkles. This is too sweet for me. Perfect. Bika.
So yummy! Are you sick, Nanny? Eat this!
Too sweet.
I'm bored. I'm cutter than you! Bika! 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 Where is that booger?
You're bored?
Huh? Bika!
Okay, let's get your toys. There is a lot in here to choose. Play.
Huh? No!
Him. Fine. This one.
No way! So lame!
How about this?
How about this? Huh? He looks just like me! Wow! Give him to me! Pika! Wah! Wah! Wah!
Now, where was I?
Pikachu! I pulled out his ears!
Where did his ears go?
It's my fault!
I'll fix it. This goes here.
What are you doing? Is that surgery?
He can hear again in no time. Are you ready? I gave him a makeover. Huh? What do you think?
I love it! Pika! Woohoo!
I knew you'd love it. Pikachu! Dinner time.
Oh, candy! Mom never gives me candy for dinner.
No, Candace. Vegetables. Eat your veggies.
You can't be serious. I hate vegetables!
Quiet. Eat your veggies. Start with this one.
Never! What do we have here? Corn is a vegetable! I know what to do! Do-do-do-do-do-dum-dum. Gotcha! Vegetable for dinner, you say? I'm gonna make my own salad! That's perfect! Time to add some syrup. Let's drown this in caramel! Dressing. And my salad is done. Wow!
Where is he? What is he doing under there? Is that popcorn?
Hi, Nanny.
I said no junk food.
Pika! You're so boring!
This belongs in the trash. I'll make you some fries. 1 minute.
Pika? Huh?
I saw this on TikTok. First, I'm gonna chop this apple and put it in this packaging. He'll never know the difference. He can have some strawberry jam as a treat. It's like ketchup. Enjoy your fries.
She wasn't kidding. It even has a ketchup.
Like your fries.
Pika! So good!
Yes. Enjoy.
Wow!
Stop jumping. It's dangerous.
You're no fun!
So, do you wanna do some experiments? Wow.
Huh? That's for nerds.
Wanna pet my spider? How about I'm out of ideas.
Huh? You're lame. I know! Hi, Nanny! Come with me! Want some more tea? Pika?
Yes, please. Thanks. You be careful now.
Pika! 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 Come on, faster! Wow, look at me go, Nanny!
What are you doing?
I'm tired. Pika!
Okay, hang on tight.
Wow! What? What? Higher! Wow!
Bigger? Are you okay?
Pika!
What's that?
Nanny, come join me!
Fine.
Hurry, hurry! Pika! Yeah, so fun! Pikachu!
this supposed to be fun? I suppose. This is nice. Alright, that's enough. That was fun, right? Bika? I guess that's a no.
Bika? Bika, Bika!
I'm reading.
Nice house. Pikachu!
Don't ignore me, Bika, Bika, Bika!
He's gonna be mine.
Let's play hide and seek. You hide, I count. 1, 2, 3. Ready or not, here I come. This is too easy. Huh? Pikachu! Not here. Bika!
She's here!
Where is he? Gotcha! I swear I heard him in here. That's annoying. Pikachu! Huh? Pikachu! Got you! Pikachu!
Boo!
You're not Bika.
No, I'm not. But I'm here to catch Pikachu.
Nanny's in trouble!
You want this guy?
He's gotta be mine.
Bika!
Trust me, we'll get this guy down.
Wah! Bika!
Bika Thunder!
Pikachu!
That was super effective.
Wow! Bika!
High five!
I'm out of here.
Who was that?
Let's go.
Stay calm.
What's going on?
Oh, thank you, Bika. Cheers. Oh, so well behaved.
Thank you, Ginger.
Sure.
La la la. I know that sound. Oh, Pikachu?
Cheers. Well behaved.
Whoa. Oh, Pikachu is so cool.